us on this big story for their perspective. Now, Indian indices, Sensex and Nifty have opened this Monday morning on a strong note. Both benchmarks are in the green. The Sensex has begun the day trading above 81,000. It's currently racing fast towards the 82,000 mark as well, while the Nifty is rallying past 24,700. The mood was lifted by news of a ceasefire agreement by India and Pakistan, bringing relief to geopolitical nerves. Sharad Kohli, senior economist, joins us live. Sharad Kohli, what explains the market rally today morning? Is it directly related to the ceasefire announced 36 hours ago?
Good morning, Uday. Good morning to the viewers of NewsX. Yes, primarily we can affiliate this to the ceasefire. But there are two more news coming in. One is the US-China deal, which is showing signs of getting cracked at some point. And second is the talk between Russia and Ukraine, which is likely to happen anytime soon. So I think those two factors, but primarily, as I said, because of the ceasefire, just before Operation Sindoor had begun, the market, or during the Operation Sindoor, I would say the market had dropped in terms of Nifty about a little less than 500 points. So the recovery now is even better than that. I think the investors are confident that with the war clouds being over, the market is going to touch new heights. We should not forget we are just about 15 to 1600 points away from all-time high as far as Nifty is concerned. So we are in a bull run. But having said that, a word of caution, Uday, which is required, because Pakistan is something where the history says anything can happen. So I think we should wait. The investors should not go emotional.
I was just going to ask you, is this rally just restricted for today, or is it something that will be the trend now this whole week as well? Do we have to wait and watch how the DGMO level talks go today? And also, as you said, of course, how Pakistan, behaves in the next 24, 48 hours. We did see how the ceasefire was broken just a couple of hours after it was announced 36 hours ago. Also, will we have to wait and watch later this week if those talks between Ukraine and Russia really end up happening as Putin is desiring?
Absolutely, Uday. You hit the nail on the head. We need to, the DGMO talks, first of all, I don't really see anything negative coming out of those talks, except that India is going to make it very clear that this talk is going to remain confined to DGMO. No other talks are going to happen. Yes, caution is the word. I think that's what I said. Investors should not get carried away by this bull run, because anytime Pakistan tries to do another misadventure, it will be responded to very comprehensively, whereafter the markets may again take a downturn. So there's a need for caution. I think the long-term investors can remain there, because any time is a good time for long-term investment. But short-term and mid-term investors need to be very, very cautious, because just flow with the trend. Do not take any positions which put you in trouble suppose something happens. I think the rest of this month, I expect, Uday, I think investors should remain cautious. Whereafter, once things stabilize, we can then decide a long-term trend. Uday.
All right, Sharad Kohli, thank you for joining us with your perspective.